Hello, Assoumpta. I am working on my progress report for the group, and I have you as not completing any module so far in part two. And I'm really worried because as you can see, we're halfway through with this part of the course. So I would like for you to understand why, okay? So let's go to the course. Here I am logged in as you, okay? As you can see, the first part of the course, you completed everything with scores seemed to be fine. But in part two we started part two a few weeks ago, you haven't completed any work. And so I really need for you to, this week, to work as hard as possible to try to catch up. We're in this module starting as of yesterday, but I really need for you to work in these units and complete the assignment, okay? Thank you.